boy, I want to get one for me.
Work on my cue. Start talking.
Okay, as in. Even when we go,
I could be calculated. You must calculate. This time, I'm able to still 2-3 minutes. Yeah, that's first time. Legacy bond, the boost 46.
check it out. Then after the solving equation, we are going to do some questions. Then we go to the next topic. So, first question says, solve for x. The roots, solve for x of x squared plus 5x. The root plus 2 of x squared plus 5 equals to 1. The root plus 2 plus of x. The roots of x squared plus 5. And the root of x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals to 1 plus x squared plus 5. So, what we are going to do here is that we have to square both sides for us to be able to remove that bracket. So squaring both sides, you're going to have this place to be the square roots of x squared plus 5x plus 2 all squared equals to 1 plus the roots of x squared plus 5 all squared. And so by so doing, you can see with me that this square root here cancel out this root. So what is now left there will now be x squared plus 5x plus 2. Then at this side you are going to expand, because this square means make it 2. So you are going to have the same thing 2 times, which is 1 plus the square root of x squared plus 5. Then 1 plus the square of x squared plus 5. So you have to multiply it out so that x squared plus 5x plus 2 will be equals to 1 times 1 is what? 1. Then 1 times this root will be the root. That is the root x squared plus 5. And now multiply this with this, you have the same, which is what? The root of what? X squared plus 5. Are you following? Now, the root of this and the root of this will get rid of the root, just like saying root x times root x equals the word x. Are we? So root this and this will be x squared plus 5. So by so doing, you have x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals to, you see, there is 1 here and there is 5 here. So I would love to add them up to be 6. Then these are similar sort. Okay? So I add them up. If I add them, I'm going to have 2 of that, 2 of x squared plus 5. Then I have plus x squared. The x squared in the left hand side will cancel the x squared in the right hand side. Abi? Yes. So this will cancel out this. And I've been able to add up this with this to get this. I add up this with this to get this. So what I'm now left with is what? 5x. I now bring down this to this other side so that I can have my arrangement to be 5x plus 2 minus 6. Are you following me?
Yes.
Equals to 2 in the root of what? X squared plus 5. So on that note, I will have my 5x. You see that 2 minus 6 is what? Minus, so that place becomes minus 4. Equals to what? 2 into what? X squared plus 5. And now you can agree with me that for me to be able to remove this square root, I have to square both sides. Are you following me? I have to do what? Square both sides. So when I square both sides, I now say squaring both sides. So squaring both sides. This will now give me 5x minus 4 all square will now be equal to 2 into what? The roots of x squared plus 5 all squared. Meaning that this will be 2. Right? So I will have 5x minus 4, then 5x minus 4 in the left hand side. And the right hand side, these two will cover this and this. Meaning that that place will now be 4, then into what? X squared plus 5, because it will cancel out that square root. Are we together? Yes. So at that point, we open this bracket. If I open this bracket, you see that 5x times 5 will give me what? 25x squared. Are we together? Yes. Now 5x times minus 4, that will be what? Minus 20x. And minus 4 will now give us minus 20x. The minus 4 times minus 4 will give us what? Plus 16. I hope you understand. Yes. Equals to, you now open this bracket. 4 times x squared is what? 4x squared. And 4 plus is what? Plus 20. Is that clear? Yes. So from that point, we need to collect all the x squared together with x. But first, this is 25 x squared minus 40x. 20x minus 20x minus 40x. No, I wanted to finish. Let me go on this place first. Minus 20 minus 20x. Then plus 16 equals to 4x squared plus 20. Now I bring this back to this. We'll have 5x squared. This one will come up. Are you following me? That will be minus 4x squared. Then I now bring that word. That will be minus 40x. Are you with me? Now, plus what? 16. This will cross and become minus 20. I have crossed everything. Equals to 0. So you see that 25 minus 4 will give us 21 x squared. Are you following me? Minus 40x. Then 16 minus 20 will give us what? Minus 4. And you see that if you arrange like that, it has done the quadratic equation. Now let's see whether we are going to have factors. If we multiply 21 with this, you are going to have minus 4 minus 21 x squared times 4. That will be what? Multiply 21 by 4. That will be minus 84x squared. Do we have factors so that when we multiply, we get this, and when we add, we are going to get that? Do we have such factor? If there is no factor, we can use almighty formula. So in the almighty formula, we have, in this case, a equals to 21. The value A is there. B equals to what? Minus 40. And C equals to minus 4. So let's fix up those values there in order to have the corresponding value of X we are talking about. So using the formula, the almighty formula, we state that plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In that case, this is going to be minus into b, put the minus 40, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is minus 40 squared minus 4 times, what is my a? 21 times, what is my c? Minus 4. That's minus 4. All over 2 times 21. So minus minus, we made that place to become what? 40. So this place becomes 40 plus or minus the square root of minus 40 squares. It's my calculator. Is that my calculator? Minus 40 squared. Someone should also help check. That would be 1,600. Then minus minus on that place to plus. And 4 times 21 times 4 will be 336. Divided by 2 times 21, that will be 42. That is 2 times 21. Then plus or minus square root of 1,600 plus 336. That will be 1936 divided by 42. And then you can agree with me that this will be 40 plus or minus the square root of 1936 equals to 44 divided by 42. So I'm going to have two answers, one for plus and one for minus. And so X will now be equals to 40 plus 44 or minus 44 divided by 42. So that will be equals to 40 plus 44. 40 plus 44. That's 84. 84 divided by 42. Or this is going to give us minus 40 minus 44. Minus 4 divided by 42. So you can see with me that this one will cancel this one how many times? 2. So therefore X equals to 2, or this one 2 cancel here, 2 cancel here, 21. So that will be minus 2 over 21. 21, yes, minus 2 over 21. This one is 84 over this is 2, minus 2 over 21. Please copy that. I am going to explain again so that you understand very well. Those are the fundamental things you need to know in sort. You see, if you observe really well, you see that anytime you have the question that contains roots, you need to see how you can square both sides. Because immediately you square both sides, that square root is out. And immediately it's out, you can get whatever you want to get. You see, if you fix up that value of x, you will surely get back the left hand side and the right hand side the way it is. You can be able to remove this square root is the square